gonna die tired. Oh, there they are. We got a herd right in front of us. Right here. Pick a hog and stay on him till he's dead. This one right here will work just fine. Got him in the head. Oh, look, there he goes. He's on. Good job. Whenever you're ready. Oh, yeah. All right, the other one was over here somewhere. This way. Give it a try. See if you can get it from up here. Oh yeah. Ooh, he got through. There he goes, he's figuring it out. There you go. Look at that, we got another one. They're making it so easy on us today. That's right. Line it up. He may be hurt. Yeah, he is. Oh, not anymore. Man, you lucky bugger, you.
No kidding. Oh, man.
PJ's gonna go, yeah, you were hiding them, weren't you? Yeah, I know how you are. You were hiding.
You were hiding them.
You look like Hanix all the Dutch. Alright, in case you guys haven't been following, 52 hogs down, we're fixing to, no, we're fixing to aim for 52, that's right, this is 52 right here, ain't it?
This was 53.
Oh, okay, my bad, 53. I'll take that number.
There you go.
There you go, that's how you flip bacon. You said .18, you said 18 was enough.
That's
yeah,
right.
I've had enough, we're going home.
What was I thinking, Nick? What was I thinking? I'm out.
You put 2 in this one.
Yep.
You sure you're out? Did you bring a gun? Did you bring a pistol?
Man, I did. I got the edge stuff on. What? There it is. I got some more.
Man. Hey, keep doing it. Let me get a little air.
Right here. It's right here in front of us.
I don't see him. Oh, right there.
All right, real close.
Just 2?
Yep.
Oh. Oh. Oh, here's on the Maya. Keep going. .62.
I got both of those.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Okay.
63. .64. I think you're out.
That's it. I think that was the last clip. Unless I keep digging, yeah.
I keep digging because it's got magic, man. Every time you think you're out, there's one more.
That's right. There's a couple of rounds in this one that we didn't finish yet.
All right. If we don't find a herd of hogs now, I'll be upset.
Come in on side, make sure every last bullet counts.
That's right. We're gonna fly on them.
Yeah.
We're gonna spear them with the
Spear,
skid.
yeah.
You got one more in there?
I think so.
$65.
65.
65.
That was officially it.
65 plus 13. He said you had a good day.
No kidding.
Oh, check. Do it on a Hina. A big
Yep,
one.
Yeah.
And you're sure you're out?
Man, I am out. Let me just go through it one more time.
From now on, I'm carrying a handgun.
No kidding. Yeah, buddy, that's it. That is just it.
Okay.
There is nothing left. We
Okay.
run.
Okay.